Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Be sure to drop a like so this video can get recommended to others, so hopefully I can help the most people I am able to. Um, Today was more of a boring day, and that's the goal in every day with trading. You want it to be boring, you want to be following your process, you don't want it to be stressful, you don't want it to be too crazy. And if you know Alex in MIC, his emotions are so leveled. Like on a huge winning day, of course he's happy, he's super happy, but he's not like, oh my gosh, tomorrow I'm gonna go even bigger so I can win it even more. Like, no, his emotions are calm. And on a huge losing day, he's sticking to his process, and that's how he's able to return the next day and make it all back. Um, but I just want to go over a trade I made today, which was not this. It was SPI. And this trade was awesome because it's after all this hesitation I've been going through, as you guys saw from the last videos. And if you haven't watched those, be sure to watch those. Just watch all of them. They're super quick, but they're full of information, and you literally see all the mental struggle I go through with hesitation and taking a trade and accepting the risk. And I'm just starting to become a better trader instantly, as you can see from this. So this is SPI. It became broken right on market open. I covered at the support levels. Let me remove them so it looks a little cleaner. So I had plans to scale all the way. So first of all, huge. This was the hot chick. Everyone was looking at it, and then I'm always watching these for them to hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm watching for them to just show a sign of confirmation, and once they confirm, I'll be adding in below VWAP on a pop to VWAP. And in this case scenario, I was risking 763 because, as you can see, this is a very key support level that I want to be risking. And so I had plans to scale 740, 750, and 760. And if you don't know already, I do like 3 cents below, depending on the range, I do like 3 cents below my actual order, just because sometimes it doesn't actually hit. Like, for example, if you wanted 740 right here, you would have only gotten 736. So it doesn't always exactly, it's not exact science. So you have to adjust for that fudge factor. But that's why I go in at 3.7. So it would have been 737, 747, and 757 for those scales, and stop at 763. Sadly, I only got one bullet executed, and so I'm on my smallest size. And so that's kind of disappointing. I literally only had like 20 shares, and I made like a $6 profit. But this is the exact chart of someone who would have made 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 on this one trade. And so I'm using really small size just to get back into the process and just to, get consistent with that first before I start sizing up. And so after we had this huge wash on the market open, I really liked it. So as you can see right here, it kind of broke VWAP, and then it kind of tried to bounce. So I was like, ooh, okay, I'm not going to get in yet. And then bam, it had another candle, and I was like, okay, that's the confirmation right there. I'm going to attack after the bounce, or on the bounce, and bam, got in. I had my orders out, so I was ready. It was really trappy, but since I had such small size and I was risking literally less than $10, I was able to be really patient. And so I just covered on the support levels. And I sat through this with I wasn't scared at all because my stock was practically at break even, or maybe like I was risking $1 or something just above VWAP. But it was a stress-free trade. And I mean, if I had used my normal like $20, $30 risk, it would have been a bigger trade. But it was that's why you don't want to focus on the P&L in the beginning. You just want to focus on perfecting the process, trying to get the best you can get. And I think this is a perfect chart. Like, look at this. Got in on the bounce, cover right here, bottom, take the support level, scaled out, and it actually had a pop right here. So I literally, the timing was great, and I mean, this is awesome. And actually, looks like it was a pretty good deathline setup too. If you want to just draw a line here at 690. Once it broke the deathline with this confirmation candle, bam, short the pop. It lowers range, of course, midday, but lots of opportunity here. In terms of other plays, I had to leave early for work because I'm working like a lot of the side hustles and stuff just so I can get over PDT. But things were running. I don't even know. I know a couple things were crazy. SPCE was to sell the news, which was actually crazy. Like, I had a feeling that was gonna happen because I was like, oh dang, like I bet SPCE is just gonna go crazy over the successful rocket launch. But then I was thinking, often in the markets, once everyone is in one side, it's often the opposite happens. And I was like, you know what, it's not like, yeah, it's definitely not a good investment right now. So if you want to invest, also the company makes literally no money, so I'll be looking at their future in terms of investments, but that's not why we're here. But anyways, I mean that was a quick recap. Actually, I'll show you guys. This was an ARAV trade I took a long time ago, and this was very similar. I mean, we had a run up, broke down, and then kind of just popped view up after stuff move, short the bounce, pretty clean. I love the scale out on this chart. Then we have OSMT trade. This one was like literally almost identical, except for it had a high day, pretty high. But like this one was awesome. So we came down, tested view up, kind of bounced, and then just stuffed through there. This was kind of trappy, and it was a kind of a really tough stock. It was kind of stressful, but I think I have a video on this, so you guys can scroll down and find that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe because I think like 80% of you watching are not subscribed according to my analytics. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to post these videos every single day on my trades. And I think they're really valuable. And I hope you guys can find value from them. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.